Class 5 IMO Level 2. Mathematics question number 1. How many of the following figures have more than one line of symmetry? Only one letter, that is the letter H, has more than one line of symmetry. Mathematics question number 2. Which of the following figures has or have greatest unshaded fraction? In order to find the shaded or unshaded portion of figure 1, we can rearrange the shaded portions. Unshaded fraction of figure 1 is equal to 5 by 8 and unshaded fraction of figure 2 is equal to 2 by 5. Converting into equivalent fraction, then comparing, we can see that the unshaded portion of the first figure is greater than the unshaded portion of second figure. Mathematics question number 3. If x is the greatest 5-digit number that can be formed using the digits 3, 5 and 8 using each digit at least once, then find the successor of x. The greatest 5-digit number that can be formed using the digits is 88,853. Successor of that is 88,854. Mathematics question number 4. Compare and fill the box. First we're going to solve the left hand side, that is 19.877, and the right hand side, that is 20.884. As we can see here, the left hand side is less than the right hand side. Mathematics question number 5. Rope A is 18 cm long. Rope B is 3 times as long as rope A and rope C is 12 cm longer than rope A. What is the total length of all the 3 ropes? Given length of rope A is equal to 18 centimeters. Length of rope B is equal to 3 into 18 centimeter, that is 54 centimeters. Then length of rope C is equal to 18 centimeter plus 12 centimeters, that is 30 centimeters. So total length of all 3 ropes is equal to rope A plus rope B plus rope C, that is 102 centimeters. Mathematics question number 6. Rashi has 196 beads. Kirti has 1 3/4 times as many beads as Rashi has. How many beads do they both have altogether? Given number of beads Rashi has is equal to 196. Number of beads Kirti had is equal to 1 3/4 times as many beads as Rashi has. That is 7/4 into 196. That is equal to 343. Number of beads Rashi and Kirti had is equal to 196 plus 343, that is 539. Mathematics question number 7. How many right angles are there in the given figure? There are 4 right angles in the given figure. Mathematics question number 8. Mr. Gupta has a room 12 meter wide and 24 meter long. He wants to separate an area that is 5 meter wide and 7 meter long for a study room. Find the remaining area of the room. Given length and breadth of the room is equal to 24 and 12 meters respectively. Area of the room is equal to 12 into 24, that is 288 square meters. Area of the study room is equal to 35 square meters. Remaining area of the room is equal to area of the room minus the study room, that is 253 square meters. What is the smallest number of shaded squares that must be added so that the line XY becomes a line of symmetry? 11 squares need to be shaded. Mathematics question number 10. What is the fractional value of P and Q? Here in between 6.47 and 6.48, we have 5 divisions. So the value of each division is equal to 0.002. So substituting the values of these, we can get the value of P and Q, that is corresponding the C option. Mathematics question number 11. Which of the following options have the greatest value? As you can see here, A has the greatest value. Mathematics question number 12. 4,838 people took part in a marathon. 425 people gave up after the first hour. 1/3 of the remaining people gave up after the second hour. The rest completed the marathon. How many people completed the marathon? Total people took part in the marathon is equal to 4,838. In that 4,838, 425 people gave up. That means the remaining will be 4,413. And in that 1 by 3 of 4,413, people gave up after the second hour. So 1,471 people left. Therefore, the remaining people after the second hour is equal to 2,942. So these many people completed the marathon. Mathematics question number 13. The given line graph shows the number of questions solved by Mohit in the given consecutive 5 weeks. Study the given graph carefully and answer the following questions. 13. How many less questions were solved by Mohit in the third week than in the first and fourth week together? First and fourth week together is equal to 85. Then number of questions solved in week 3 is equal to 35. Therefore, 50 less questions were solved by Mohit in the third week than in the first and fourth week together. The Roman numeral for the total number of questions solved by Mohit in week 2nd, 3rd and 5th together is. Number of questions solved by Mohit in the 2nd, 3rd and 5th week is, that is 90, and in the Roman numerals XC. Mathematics question number 15. If Mohit will solve 22 more questions in week 6 than the number of questions solved in week 1, then how many questions will he solve in week 6? Number of questions solved in week 1 is equal to 45. Number of questions Mohit will solve in 6th week is equal to 45 plus 22, that is 67. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload. And I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.